I know what you're thinking. I know what everybody's thinking right here. कि गाड़ी बढ़िया है. What a fantastic car. It's clearly Nissan Sunny. But driver कौन है? It's a long story. How are you doing? Everybody okay? Oh, all are angry? Upset? Waited too long? Okay. 2 minutes shout. Come on, get it out of your system. It's a long story, sir. We wanted to start early, but parking nahi mile, so we had to park the car here. I apologize. We'll go very fast. Is that okay? Feeling little better? He's worked very hard to bring us this car here today. I mean, literally. He drove it from his house in Prabhadevi all the way here. So please welcome on stage Mr. Arun Malhotra, MD, Nissan India.
Great, Cyrus, to see you in flesh and blood. Generally, you see you on television screen.
Yeah, sorry, we need space when it comes to me as well as the car, so I'm making sure there's enough space.
Absolutely enough space.
Sir, and I'm going to start right at the beginning. Firstly, this audience, we have to warm them up a little bit because they've been waiting. So I think we should just say sorry to them and tell them not to, be too upset.
Sorry.
Yes, in true Japanese and Indian tradition. Sorry. Now we'll just say sorry to each other, just to pass time. Okay, sir, no, let's start very quickly. What is this Nissan Sunny phenomenon all about? Take us back a little bit and tell us.
Well, Nissan is all about innovation and excitement. That's our tagline. And all our products, which we're launching for the last 70 years, Nissan internationally. Sunny as a brand got born in 1966.
Pause for effect. 1966 ki baat hai.
1966 was also the year when Indira Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India.
Perhaps not the right thing to mention during BJP government, but anyway.
So from that time, Sunny has been there. 23 million Sunnies have been sold from that time. And it is in the 10th generation Sunny which you see now. It is the 10th avatar.
The 10th avatar of Sunny, a very important point. Of course, if you go in Chandigarh, you'll find the other 9 avatars. Many people call Sunny there. I've gone there. But no, nothing like this wonderful car.
Yeah, absolutely. So what you are seeing is the 10th avatar or the 10th generation Sunny. And I'd like to tell you something about the product if you allow me.
Yes, please.
Any more space
Whoa!
and we'll have to send you to
What a
outer
coincidence.
space.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Sonakshi
Hello,
Sinha has
hi.
just dropped in. She lives nearby and she's sweet enough to come and just say a few words.
I heard you were here, so I came running.
Don't say that. Don't
Of
say that.
course.
Don't be rude to short men, which is 50% of the males in the industry, but I won't get there.
But good job, yeah, talking about space and everything. Looks like you've pumped some air into yourself and come
Yes, I do.
just to demonstrate the space.
Yes, you
in
don't
the
want to
car.
let the air out or they'll run away. It's more. I want to also say, can you talk less? Because my neck will pain if you talk for a long time. Give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Bit.
Sonakshi Sinha, please.
Thank you, thank you.
And I don't like these conferences where you call a star and then you ask them questions and they pretend that they learned everything. So we've asked her to learn nothing. I'm just going to ask her right now to just tell us her impressions of the car.
Looks like anyway you're not going to give me an opportunity to talk.
No, please.
Oh, okay.
How long do you want Sonakshi to speak for? Those who want 15 minutes, raise your hands.
Thank
Look
you.
at that rascal
Thank
at the
you.
back, Sarah.
Thank you. Okay, no,
He's your
anyway.
big fan, huh?
Okay,
that guy,
now
right
can
at
I
the back.
talk?
Please talk.
I'm really happy to be here with Nissan and Big FM, and with a big car. Really happy because for me, being a tall person, I need a lot of space in a car. So, it's the perfect fit for me as well. And it's beautiful, looks stylish, it's got great interiors, and I'm happy that I could be a part of this innovative event because we're relaunching it and revamping it and getting it out there to all you people. And good
And
to be a
these
part of it.
sexist comments, Sonakshi, people make that lady drivers don't know how to park cars and all that.
I'm a very good driver. That is why also I think I've been called.
I am also a very good driver.
You think I can drive this car back home? Just take it from here.
Arun sir, is it possible?
Yeah.
Huh? Because अब camera चालू है आपके, so
Camera
just
चालू है,
remember
आपने
that, हाँ.
absolutely बोल दिया, अब तो मैं लेके
We
जाऊंगी
will play
sir.
it 10, 15 times. They'll loop it on news channels if we don't give the car. And our Bollywood celebrities, they'll take whatever you give free, huh? Am I right, ma'am? No, not Sonakshi. Sonakshi is classy. I'm talking about those males, those short males who work in the industry. We've got to get
You
taller
will
actors.
take your cut out from it.
I'm playing mother's roles
middleman.
now already. Okay, so Sonakshi, anything else you'd like to share? Because I did a little research. You've done this film Lutera about a little while back.
Yeah.
The opening of that is in an old vintage car and you're struggling to
Yeah.
drive it. So maybe you'd like to switch?
I would definitely like to switch after driving that car because that car was like really heavy and not so smooth to drive as compared to this,
And
of
it,
course.
and,
so,
and it
yeah.
was yourself driving. There was no stunt, obviously.
I don't.
You
for
don't-
driving, you
but-
don't need stunt.
You just need driver.
I mean, I know how to drive.
Fair enough. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Sonakshi lighting up this place. So at least we have a real beautiful person who suits this beautiful car. Aesthetically very beautiful, you'd say that. And,
Absolutely.
and spacious as well, which means...
Spacious, stunning.
It works
yeah,
for both of us.
works
It's
for-
pretty like you are, elegant like you are, and large enough like I am.
for you to fit in. And I think even with you inside, I think we can fit another 7, 8, 9, 10 people.
Oh,
It's fine.
Sonakshi, are you saying we have a party? You, me, my family? Nissan Sunny Zindabad, sir. We love you. All right. Thank you so much. And what we're going to do right here is get our photo opportunity moment, which is why we're all here. Let's not lie. Let's call Arun sir back, MD of Nissan India, and let's call Lavnish, who's also sitting close by. And if we can have Sonakshi very close to the car, so everybody's happy. Black and white first. Oh, okay. I've been thrown out. There you go. And yeah. 45 seconds, photo opportunity, 2 expressions only, please. 40 seconds to go. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, आपके पास 35 सेकंड है. क्लिक क्लिक करके धन्यवाद. हाँ, सोनाक्षी को कवर नहीं करने का. Single picture, only Sonakshi. 10 सेकेंड सिंगल पिक्चर ओनली सोनाक्षी और सोनाक्षी जी के साथ सेल्फी के लिए इट इज ओके और फोटोग्राफर्स झुक जाओ प्लीज थोड़ा बहुत बिकॉज दे कांट सी गोपाल गोपाल झुक जाओ थोड़ा सा ओके शी इज नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर video camera is okay? Just for 5 seconds more, this video cameras aren't getting a shot. Sir ji, झुक जाओ थोड़ा बहुत आप लोग. We will Photoshop Sonakshi in the car and send it to everyone. आप लोग डरने का नहीं. We have technology on our side. Sonakshi is straight. Yeah, what is straight? Straight all the time. You're straight, right? No, sorry. No. We're doing the press con. Let's. Okay, we're trying एक और angle. Sonakshi is inside the car and. Okay, you're covered. Don't worry. You want to put the window down or whatever? To breathe? No. Okay. Okay. Sir, do you want us in?
Sorry, I locked it.
No, it's okay. Let him. He wants it. Arun sir, please sit down. Sir, आपकी गाड़ी है. Just like Delhi, they just come and take the car and drive off. It's a master lock. You can put it on also. Sir, how do you put that? नहीं मतलब. You want to switch it on?
It's fine.
Sonakshi, open the door, yaar. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, this is the worst ever. Yeah, and getting the lady to drive us. Typical Indian males from Gurgaon. हाँ, बेटी चलो गाड़ी चलाओ. And don't stop till I finish my drink. Yeah, you're telling me. Done? Okay, maybe if there's time we'll do more photographs, but now press conference का time है. Sir, आप तीनों इस side पे और जोकर लोग उस साइड पे. लवनीश, you choose. You choose.